Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will unbox a device that we need, especially this time of summer. You know, here in the UAE we experience hot temperature, especially summer as high as 40 above degrees. We experience high humidity. Especially, you know, the humidity. Yung humidity is like, you know, the content of moisture in the air. It relatively makes the air dry. Kung high yung humidity, it tends to make the air dry. So we feel that here in the UAE most of the times. So we need a device that can contain or can control the dry humidity that we experience. And yung humidifier, that is a device that it controls and it adds additional moisture to the air. So if it's lesser yung humidity, yung humidifier, ang function niya, nag-a-add siya ng moisture sa air. So it's essential yon during summer times or harsh winter conditions, kasi yung humidity, it will affect our environment, it will affect our health. You know, in higher humidity, makikita natin dito, maraming nagko-collapse. So we need to use, for us, we need to use humidifier. Maraming benefits yung humidifier. Number one, yung viruses. It can control the viruses and bacteria. You know that viruses travels in the air, and when you have a humidifier, it will decrease dramatically yung traveling ng virus or bacteria in the air. Number two, I don't know if this is true when it comes to our skincare. It's an effective way to protect our skin from accelerated aging. And number three, sa tingin ko, yung nagko-control yung comfortable sinuses, kung meron tayong mga sipon, ganun. The dry climate will have a negative effect sa ating sinus. So pag merong humidifier, it controls the negative influence of the sinus. So maganda yon. Number 4, yung plants. If we have plants in the home, it pressure the plants sa maging healthy yung plants, kasi kailangan niya ng atmosphere na good, na hindi matutuyo yung halaman. So yun yung mga essential benefits ng humidifier. Now we will unbox yung binili naming air humidifier from noon.com. Yan, plastic. We will start to unbox yung binili namin na kanina diniliver. We will use pointed tool. Yung noon.com yellow, no? First time na yung nag-order ng product sa noon. Most of the time yung isa, yung pinakasikat, yung kami nag-order. So maganda naman yung delivery ng noon. Diniliver niya on time as promised. So eto yon, we will unbox Black+Decker 3 liter humidifier. Kilalang kilala yung brand, no? It's very famous. Black+Decker is very famous as you know, German company doing manufacturing tools, industrial tools. So now they are manufacturing home appliances, and now nakita namin yung value kasi yung label is trusted. And dati yung binili namin yung humidifier sa isang popular furniture shop, nasira na, tsaka maingay. So we will start unboxing. Madali lang naman buksan, hindi na kailangan ng hindi naman naka-ano. So nakikita natin dito yung warranty. This is the warranty. Tapos yung styrofoam. Madali lang pala, ganun na kaagad, oh. So bigyan na, alisin natin. ito. Ano lang siya, buo na siya eh. It's a whole thing. So ito yung device. Looks sturdy. It looks modern. You know, Black+Decker, it's a trusted brand. So bali dalawang part siya. Yung detachable. Yan, ganyan. So tatanggalin natin muna yung meron siyang cover, lid cover. And ito kasi temp control siguro to ng moisture. Meron din siyang handle. There is a handle here. So it's very convenient tanggalin siyang ganyan. So we will reverse kasi lalagyan siya ng tubig. We will put water dito sa tank. There is a small tank. So buksan natin. We need to put water. I think nakalagay 3 liter capacity nakalagay dun sa carton. Yeah, we will put water. 300 liter. So kahit hindi mo na puno, pero yung capacity niya 3 liter. So lagyan ng tubig. Very easy naman pala eh. It's very easy to kasi buo na siya. Okay? Cover. Turn back. Turn the cover. So very ano lang naman siya. Yan. So okay. Ako masakan siya. Yun. Okay. Then ito yung this is where you will put the oil, the essential oil. Now I will put the essential oil. So para pala siyang ano no, yung sa baby. Like the baby. We will put that one there. Just try a little bit. Pwede na yan. Lalagay na natin itong lid cover. Yan. Tapos sasaksak na natin. Try na natin. We will try the kailangan dito sa ilalim, no? Kasi may lock nito. May lock ba siya? Ayan yung on. Ayan. So there is a control. Minimum, maximum lang naman. Yan. It's on already. Not sa middle. Yun. So you can turn that. Yan. Yun yung parang knob. So depends kung saan mo gusto. Yan. Smells yung eucalyptus oil yung binili namin eh. Nice. Nice, smooth. So the control is maximum and minimum lang. There is no number. So that's it. It works. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to my channel.